Welcome to your German vocabulary lesson. Today's German word is der Zeitpunkt. Pronunciation, der Zeitpunkt. Meaning in English, the point in time, the moment. How to remember this word: Zeit means time, and Punkt means point. Translation, the time for our meeting is tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Next German word is
Der Terminkalender. Pronunciation, der Termin der. Meaning in English, appointment calendar, schedule diary, planner. How to remember this word: Termin means appointment, Kalender means calendar. So Terminkalender is the calendar for your appointments. Example sentence: Ich trage alle Termine in meinen Terminkalender ein. English translation: I enter all appointments in my appointment calendar.
Next German word is
Rechtzeitig. Pronunciation, rechtzeitig. Meaning in English, on time, in good time, before it is too late. How to remember this word: Recht can mean right or correct. Zeit means time, so rechtzeitig is the right time, on time. Example sentence: Bitte komm rechtzeitig zum Termin. English translation: Please come on time to the appointment.
Next German word is
Gründlich. Pronunciation, grünlich. Meaning in English, thorough, in a detailed way. How to remember this word: Think of the ground. Gründlich means you go down to the bottom of something. You do it very carefully. Example sentence: Sie putzt die Wohnung immer sehr gründlich. English translation: She always cleans the flat very thoroughly.
Next German word is
Sich entschließen. Pronunciation, sich entschließen. Meaning in English, to decide, to make up one's mind. Forms, entschließt, he decides. Hat sich entschlossen, he has decided. Entschlossen as an adjective means determined. How to remember this word: Entschließen is like closing a door. When you decide, you close other options. Example sentence: entschließt sich in Deutschland zu studieren. English translation: He decides to study in Germany.
Next German word is
Die Halbpension. Pronunciation, die Halbpension. Meaning in English, half board, usually breakfast and one main meal in a hotel. How to remember this word: Halb means half. Pension is a small hotel or boarding house. So Halbpension is half board, half of the meals included. Example sentence: Im Hotel haben wir Halbpension gebucht. English translation: At the hotel we booked half board.
Next German word is
Die Vollpension. Pronunciation, die Vollpension. Meaning in English, full board, all main meals included. How to remember this word: Voll means full, so Vollpension is full board, breakfast, lunch and dinner included. Example sentence: Mit Vollpension müssen wir nichts extra für Essen bezahlen. English translation: With full board we don't have to pay extra for food.
Next German word is
Höchstens. Pronunciation, höchstens. Meaning in English, at most, no more than. How to remember this word: Hoch means high. Höchstens is the highest point allowed, the maximum. Example sentence: Die Fahrt dauert höchstens 2 Stunden. English translation: The journey takes at most 2 hours.
Next German word is
Enthalten sein. Pronunciation, enthalten sein. Meaning in English, to be included, to be contained. How to remember this: Halten means to hold. Enthalten is like held inside. So if something is enthalten, it is inside or included. Example sentence: Frühstück ist im Preis enthalten. English translation: Breakfast is included in the price.
Next German word is
Der Kompromiss. Pronunciation, der Kompromiss. Meaning in English, compromise, a middle solution. How to remember this: Kompromiss looks like the English word compromise. Both sides give a little and meet in the middle. Example sentence: Wir müssen einen Kompromiss finden. English translation: We have to find a compromise.
Next German word is
Meinetwegen. Pronunciation, meinetwegen. Meaning in English, as far as I am concerned, for my part, fine by me. How to remember this: Meinetwegen literally means because of me. In everyday speech, it often means I don't mind, it's okay for me. Example sentence: Meinetwegen können wir morgen fahren. English translation: As far as I am concerned, we can leave tomorrow.
Next German word is
Dabei sein. Pronunciation, dabei sein. Meaning in English, to be there, to take part, to join in. How to remember this: Da means there, bei means with. So dabei sein is to be there with others, to be part of something. Example sentence, bist du morgen bei der Besprechung dabei? English translation, are you going to be at the meeting tomorrow?
Next German word is
Der Einfall. Pronunciation, der Einfall. Meaning in English, idea, sudden thought. How to remember this, ein means one or in, fallen means to fall, and Einfall is an idea that falls into your head. Example sentence, das ist ein guter Einfall. English translation, that is a good idea.
Next German word is
Einpacken. Pronunciation, einpacken. Meaning in English, to pack, to wrap up. How to remember this, ein means in, packen means to pack. So einpacken is to pack things in a bag or box. Example sentence, ich muss noch die Koffer einpacken. English translation, I still have to pack the suitcases.
Next German word is
Auspacken. Pronunciation, auspacken. Meaning in English, to unpack, to take out of a bag or box. How to remember this, aus means out. So auspacken is to pack out, to take things out. Example sentence, nach der Reise packen wir die Taschen aus. English translation, after the trip we unpack the bags. That concludes our travel vocabulary lesson. Auf Wiedersehen.